The cataclysm that ended the age of the dinosaurs was an event of almost unparalleled destruction. The extinction of the dinosaurs was the necessary precondition for our own emergence. The Earth had endured one of its greatest trials and was now poised for the next chapter. Following the age of reptiles, the Earth entered a new phase, one defined by the advance of ice. The planet's climate began a series of dramatic oscillations, the Great Ice Ages. Vast continental ice sheets formed, grinding across continents. The world was being reshaped by cold. The geography of the planet was being rewritten. The cause was a complex interplay of cosmic and terrestrial factors. The world entered a prolonged period of glacial advances and retreats. Life had to adapt or perish in this altered world. These were harsh landscapes where survival depended on new strategies. Animals evolved thick fur and behaviors suited to the bitter cold. Mammals found themselves in a world that demanded endurance. They diversified, filling ecological niches. From the tiny shrew to the mighty mastodon, this was their time. The Cenozoic era is rightly called the Age of Mammals. The world echoed with the trumpeting of mammoths. Among the most impressive were the megafauna of the Pleistocene. These were creatures perfectly adapted to the Ice Age world. These giants were the undisputed kings of the frozen plains. It was their adaptability and complex social behaviors. Their brains were growing in complexity. Whales evolved into the largest animals ever to have lived on Earth. The Age of Mammals was a global phenomenon, unknowingly preparing the world for the arrival of its most influential inhabitant yet. As forests gave way to open savannas in parts of Africa, some primates were forced down from their arboreal homes. This transition was one of the most pivotal moments in the history of life. Here on the vast plains, our own story begins. Standing upright was the first great leap. Freed from locomotion, the hands became instruments of unparalleled dexterity. Our distant ancestors began to use tools. The deliberate shaping of stone marked the dawn of technology. This new lifestyle drove the evolution of our brain. It was an evolutionary arms race, fought with intellect and ingenuity. They possessed a spark, a growing awareness and a capacity for cooperation. They learned to control fire. They were beginning to shape their environment. Humanity was taking its first steps onto the world stage. Armed with fire and tools, Homo sapiens began a journey unlike any other. From Africa, we spread across the globe. Driven by curiosity and necessity, we slowly populated the planet. We encountered other hominin species like Neanderthals. We competed, coexisted, and interbred. Ultimately, only we remained. We crossed the Bering Land Bridge into the Americas and navigated the oceans to settle remote islands. Homo sapiens became the first truly global species. The human epoch had begun. We transitioned from hunting to agriculture. This allowed us to build permanent settlements and cities. Specialization emerged, leading to more complex societies. The egalitarian life of hunter-gatherers was replaced by civilization. We reshaped the planet to suit our needs. Agriculture fueled a population explosion. Cities, empires, and writing were born. The Industrial Revolution unleashed a torrent of energy. It brought wealth and progress, and another population boom. But this power came at a cost: pollution and environmental damage. We destabilized the systems that support life. Now in the information age, we have knowledge and technology to change course. We understand our impact and can forge a different path. The human epoch's final chapter is yet to be written. From a swirling cloud of cosmic dust to a molten ball of fire, from a world drowned beneath a single ocean to a planet breathing with life, we have journeyed through 4.5 billion years of Earth's epic saga.